Fal.ai versus Replicate.com. Let's start with Fal. So Fal is a real-time AI inferencing platform focused on instant API calls or AI models. It offers a fast developer experience, supports custom models, and is ideal for plug-and-play use cases like AI chat, image generation, and video tools. Now, Replicate, on the other hand, is a model hosting platform that lets developers run open source models on demand via an easy API. It's known for having a huge library of public models like SD, LLAMA, and Whisper, and simple pricing is based on the compute usage. So let's talk about their pros and cons. So for File AI, it offers an ultra-fast inferencing and real-time API response. It also has a clean and beginner-friendly UI. It also has a sleek and actively supports video, audio, image, and text AI use cases. The downside is though, it has a smaller open model catalog compared to Replicate. Now for Replicate, for the pros, it offers a massive library of pre-hosted models like SDXL, Whisper, and many more. It also has an easy to clone, fork, and run models with no setup. It's also offering a clear usage-based pricing, which is charged per second of compute, and it has a huge developer community and examples. The only downside is though, it has a slower startup latency for large models. So choose Fal AI if you need a real-time AI features and want to deploy your own models or need quick API. And choose Replicate if you want a huge library of community models, low-code integrations, and a flexible pay-as-you-go platform for experimentation.